Here is a short tutorial on how to make a custom-built storage unit with Besta from IKEA. This is the base built with 3 different Besta cabinet sizes. As you can see, the whole wall is not covered. Here is a quick little hack on how to make the cutouts for outlets using toothpaste. And then apply the back of the cabinet up against the toothpaste and then cut out along the toothpaste lines. And ta-da! Fun fact on the inside of IKEA cabinets, they are completely hollow and this is what they look like. Here's another quick hack. Don't use a screwdriver, instead try using a wrench. It makes the process much easier. Next, I had to cut the back of the triangles that would fit into the open spaces. So here's me trying it out. And then I'm using a ruler against the back to mark where the line should be. And then I cut along the line drawn. And here it is fitting smoothly into the corner. Now I have an extra space at the end of the cabinet, and so I decided to add a small bookshelf, and here is what it looks like done and stained. I think it looks quite beautiful. Next, I had to build the doors for the customized corner pieces, and so I used a piece of cardboard as a template and then traced it onto the actual door, and I cut on the back with the good side facing down, and here's what it looked like. And then there was a raw edge, so I decided to cover it. I used an iron to do edge bending, and this is what it looked like at the end. There was a little bit of excess trim, so I used a trimmer to cut that off. And here's what it looks like all finished. A special thank you to Sven's Livers in Saco, Maine.